LAPD!
Yeah, I don't think so.
Are you freaking kidding me?
It had been 6 short hours since my little stun at Ace Chemicals announced to the world that Mr. J and I were donezo. The immunity I'd enjoyed for so long was gone. Cops who never would have dared come after me before were suddenly doing this. And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh. Turns out, I wronged a lot of people.
ジョーカーと別れてクレイジーに悪川覚醒
Hi, boys.
極悪からダイヤを盗んだ少女を守れ
Man of Gotham, who's having a good time?
悪対悪の危険度マックスアクション
I'm the one they should be scared of because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
ハーレイ・クインの華麗なる覚醒